Hello everyone, welcome to another day, another sleigh. I hate myself too for saying that. But yeah, welcome to part, I don't remember, I lost count after a few parts ago, so welcome to whatever part this is.
Marinette, don't go outside. I heard Nadia Shamak report that the entire city is under the threat of stormy weather. Hopefully Ladybug and Cat Noir are already on it.
Marinette, no matter what happens, stay inside the house. It seems Shadowmoth has found a way to besiege the entire city this time. It's not safe out there.
You guys can't stop me. Bye! I like how they just told her not to leave and then they watch her walk out. Oh hey, Nadia Schmuck. Can I talk to her? Dude, she's so short in this. Which way am I supposed to go? Not that way. This way, maybe? She's doing like the white mom walk with her arms. Oh, I can choose? Okay, I can't do those yet, but I can choose between these. Where should I start? Let's start with Lady Wi-Fi. I swear, if you can hear my fiance downstairs, ignore him. I really hope you can't, but you might be able to because he's loud and he doesn't know when to shut the fuck up. Even though I've told him that I'm going to be playing video games and not to be loud. So. Hello? What? Oh, I was like, what the hell is hurting me? I just want in here. That was too close and personal, buddy. I almost willingly jumped into the electricity because I thought it was the little XP things. They should have made them different colors. Like you.
Am I supposed to take a selfie or something?
Yeah, just travel through that.
Oh, my head. Wait, I've been warped to another place? Alright. I guess I need to find the right by going through more of these phone portals.
I was not expecting a train to come out at me. Get hit by train. Not on bucket list. Okay. Did not have to do that again. Was I not supposed to do that? Is it a guessing game? Get out the way! I think it's just a guessing game, maybe? Oh, I can just hug the wall. I thought that I would be safe. Ah, this one, I bet. The one that doesn't look like the others. Oh, hello, little guys. Oh, they're just little guys. I don't really want to hurt them. But I will.
I suppose I need to destroy those phones to progress further.
You think? Ooh, bread. Bro didn't even hit me. Can I unlock more stats? No. Okay, that's fine. I'm assuming this one. I'm assuming the orange ones is the ones you come out of. Yes. Oh, I see. They spit out little bolts or whatever. Like washers, kind of. Meow is right. Can I hit him? Thanks, but I would like to collect everything first. I'm a loot goblin, so... Oh, more trains. See, if I stand there, I should not be getting hit, but yet I am. What's the deal with that? Oh, shoot. Oh, I'm gonna die. Get in. Hello, buddy. Will you give me food? No. Okay. Will you give me food? Yes, thank you. You're my bestie. Oh, you also gave me food. I love to see it. If I knock him into the... Oh. Oh! You didn't see that. You didn't see that one either. I took your eyes. You're blind. Okay. Just maybe, like, close your eyes for the rest of this episode. It looks like it's gonna be a doozy. Can you... Oh, I can just do that. So you're telling me I'm not supposed to go through that one when literally... Huh? Oh, I want the red ones. Can I jump up there? Ooh, gimme. What do the white ones do? I guess we'll never know. Did I just get extra, I think? The way his body shifts is so weird, like... unnatural. Yummy bread. Exactly. And I've always said that. Come here, little guy. Okay, well, I kind of wanted that piece of bread, but it's fine. Oh, ain't no way. That's not what I wanted to do, but, you know. I literally hit that. Hello? Cat Noir. Be for real right now. Thank you. Am I supposed to go through this? What did these ones do? Oh, I can break them. Okay. Simple enough. Level complete. This one pretty quick, so I'll probably do 2 levels in this episode. So, you're welcome. Heart. I don't know why I go like this. I don't even like the way, I mean, it looks okay, but I prefer going like this, but it's just so much easier to do this. Don't ask why. You think it would be easier to do this, but not for me. Oh, this is sick, okay.
Hold on to my whiskers. This train is way too fast.
What the heck? Can I, like, fall off the train? Just, like, science experiment. No, I cannot. That's honestly really good, because I would probably fall off the train multiple times. Can I break through? Yes, I can. Why are we on a train? And where are the trains going? You know? Oh, that's... sorry, little guy. That was kind of brutal. I'm not gonna lie. Oh, oh. Oh, he is not fun. Yeah, no, he's gonna kill us. I'm just gonna walk away. He can't harm me up here. Ooh, a cake. Where did that go? I needed that. Did I get it at least? I think so. My health went up, but... kind of rude of them. Like, yes, we're on a really, like, high-speed train right now, and obviously it would go flying off, but, still kind of rude. Those little tablets are so annoying. I would like these. Thank you. Give me that one. I can't go from the back. I will be taking that. Did these even break, or is it the same one I'm fighting over and over again? We haven't seen Ladybug use her Lucky Charm or Kanura use Cataclysm yet, and I've played a decent amount of this already. Like, that's literally their thing, and you're just not gonna add that. Oh, I have to go up. Okay. That's fine, I guess. I'm in jail. Okay, you know, you could jump up there. Thank you. Thank you very much. Oh, there's 3 of them. Please don't zap me. It's not very nice. Come here, little guy. Get him, got him good. Oh. Oh, I did not mean to do that. I wanted to defeat him, but... Do I have to defeat him in order to get through? Yeah. Whee! Ice time! This would be so fun. It's like just a giant ice slide.
What's this? A cloud? As in data cloud? Lady Wi-Fi must have transformed all the data transmitted from the station into this thing.
Oh, that's not. Get away, get away, get away, get away, get away. Oh, bread. I need, give me that, give me that. Give me. Get out the way. Move, get out the way. I feel like if I hit buttons faster, it'll make it die quicker, but that's just not the case, I believe. I think it's just all in my silly little head. Can he stop moving? Where did they go? Oh. Can you actually hit them? Why is it beeping? Oh, I thought that was gonna mean I was gonna die, but it's still beeping. Okay, it's just the way he sounds. I was honestly scared for a second. I was like, I am not doing all this over again. Stop running! Come here! Can I not hit you? You can't make yourself into a shield. That's just simply not fair. I have to collect these. Get. Move. Dude, it takes like no damage. Bro, just die. I'm really moving out the way, and it's making me go back. Switching. I'm scared. I'm scared. I'm scared. Oh, bread. Never mind. I'm not scared anymore. Maybe a little scared. It did not go up. I literally collected that. Hello? Okay. I don't have time for you. I thought I collected that one too, but you know what? It's fine. Oh, that heals him. You have to be shitting me right now. Bread. Pie. I mean, that's so bread. Kinda, right? Come on, just kill him before you die, Cat Nora. Kill him before you die, 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 kill him before you die. Thank you. And we still can't unlock. Okay. Anyways, thank you for watching this part. I love and appreciate all of you who watch, so thank you very much. Hearts.